started. So today, in our story program, we're going to talk about a candy store. Have you ever been to a candy store?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what did you get from have you ever bought something from the candy store?
Yeah, I bought chocolate.
Chocolate? What kind of chocolate? Like just plain chocolate?
Yeah.
You've never been to
I got kitty cats.
Kit Kats?
Kitty cats. I get some kitty cats. Yeah. I also got bubble gum and normal chocolate.
Sounds good.
And a lot more.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
Yummy.
So you've never been to a candy store? No? Well, what about, have you ever been to like the grocery store and bought some candy?
Oh, I even got candy corn.
Oh, candy corn. Well, it's just kind of, a candy store is like when you know when you go to the grocery store in the aisles and you see the little candies right there? When you check out, there's like a little shelf full of candies. That's what a candy store, except the whole store is full of candy like that.
It doesn't have shoes, clothes.
Yeah. It's just full of candy.
Everything, so much candy.
All candies. All the different candies you can think about.
Like chocolate, strawberry, cookie candy.
Yeah, they have sour heads. All right. So what is your favorite candy to buy from the store, Kevin?
Chocolate.
Chocolate or
Bubble gum and candy corn.
bubble gum and candy corn? What's your favorite candy to buy from the candy store?
And
Sour candies? Ooh.
Oh, and I have one more chocolate. The ball one.
The big chocolate balls?
Yeah, like the little ones. I eat in my mouth, all of them.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
That's a lot.
Nobody can hold sour candy. It's like, it makes it taste
All right. So my friend Tom went to the candy store and he only had enough money to buy 10 pieces of candy.
Oh my god.
That's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a lot, 10. All right. So he decided to buy just from one shelf of the candy store.
Just one shelf?
Just one shelf. I know. He only decided to pick from one shelf. Can you tell me what candies you see on this shelf?
I see chocolate, peanuts, and then I see like these kind of chocolate balls. I see Kitty Kat.
Kit Kats?
And I like the chocolate ones.
Snickers.
So
So Snickers and Kit Kats. That's what he's decided he was going to buy. He's just going to buy from this shelf. So Snickers and Kit Kats.
Oh, Snickers and Kit Kat.
That's what a candy store looks like.
Wow.
Look at all this candy. Yeah,
Look, so much candy, right?
I want my mom to go to the candy store.
Yeah, your mom
It's sour.
Yeah, there's some sour stuff. All right,
Ooh, I
but Tom is only gonna buy Snickers and Kit Kats. Okay, those are the only two candies he's gonna buy.
Oh. How many is he gonna buy? So he's gonna eat a whole thing.
Here, take them.
So he's gonna eat a whole thing.
Yeah, we'll have to see.
We're going to have to figure out how many that equals 10 that he has.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Hang on. All right, so these are just pictures. These are just pictures.
Oh,
So these are the candies that he's gonna buy. So what candies is he buying?
Kit Kat and Snickers.
Kit Kat and Snickers. All right.
Snickers.
Have you ever eaten a Kit Kat or a Snickers bar?
I hate Kit Kats.
Yes. Which
And
one?
Snickers. I eat Snickers.
Okay. What do you eat?
I eat Kit Kat too.
Sounds good.
Snickers and Kit Kat. I eat two of
Okay.
them because it's good
Well,
for my body.
which one's your
good for your body.
favorite?
Kit Kats.
Kit Kats is your favorite? What's your favorite?
And I see like healthy food too.
What's your favorite?
Kit Kat and Snickers.
Which one's your favorite out of the two?
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat? Okay, so if you got to buy 10 pieces of candy and they could only be Snickers or Kit Kats, would you pick your favorite? Would you pick more of your favorite one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, well let's remember that. Let's remember that when we're solving our word problem, okay?
Okay.
All right. So Tom bought 10 candy bars. Some of them were Kit Kats and some of them were Snickers. Okay? Some of them were Kit Kats and some of them were Snickers.
Can I just count like how many were the Snickers, how many were the Kit Kats?
That's what we're going to find out. That's what we're going to be trying to find out, okay? So what are we wondering? What are we wondering? out how many of what? What are we counting?
Candy.
What
Yeah.
kinds of candies?
Kit Kat and Snickers.
Yes, Kit Kats and Snickers. All right. So we're wondering how many Kit Kat bars and how many Snicker bars Tom's gonna buy. Okay? So we need to figure out how many he's gonna buy out of 10.
Are you gonna tell us the answer at the end?
I'm gonna tell us the answer at the end, okay? But we're gonna all work real hard and try to solve it. So you can tell me the answer at the end.
So what's gonna use? Like that?
Alright, so I'm going to share the story problem with you, and I want you to listen to the story problem carefully, and then I'm going to ask you to tell me the story in your own words, okay? So,
Okay.
let's listen, okay? Tom bought 10 candy bars. Some are Kit Kats, some are Snickers. How many of each candy could he buy?
He could buy.
Hang on. Don't share it, not yet.
He can buy.
Hang on.
You're going to have a chance to solve it on your
So
own.
now I want you to close your eyes. I want you to think about the candy bars, and I want you to think about Tom and the 10 candy bars, and how many of them are going to be Snickers and how many of them are going to be Kit Kats. All right,
Okay.
close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ready? I'm going to read it one more time. Really think about it. Tom bought 10 candy bars. Some are Kit Kats and some are Snickers. How many of each candy could he buy? All right, just close your eyes and think about it.
Okay.
All right.
So,
Emily, could you share the story problem in your own words?
Tom went in the candy store and he only had 10. No, he could only get 10 pieces of candy, and we had to know how many candy did he got.
And what are the 2 candies that he's going to buy?
Kit Kats and Snickers.
Yeah, good job. All right, Maya, can you tell me the story problem in your own words?
That was Tom had to buy 10 pieces of candy. He only had enough money to buy 10. So he could only get pieces of Snickers and pieces of Kit Kats. We're trying to figure out how many Snickers and Kit Kats he could get.
Good job. That was very nice. All right, Kevin, can you tell me the story problem in your own words?
Well, I was thinking about he would have 10 Kit Kats, and then he was having 3 Snickers, and then when it was looking like he would have 3 Snickers, and then 3 Kit Kats.
Don't tell me the answer. Don't tell me your answer yet. Just tell me, what was the story problem asking?
What's it asking you to do?
It asked me to do count the candy.
Figure out how many Kit Kat bars and how many Snickers bars Tom's gonna buy out of 10. Okay? All right. So So what do we know and what are we trying to figure out? Can you turn and talk to your partner? Kevin, can you talk to Miss Abby about what's yours? And you two talk about what do we already know? What did the problem tell us? What do we know from our problem and what we are trying to figure out?
So I think what we need to figure out is that we need to figure out how many candies did he buy. Yeah. How many candies did he buy? We're trying to figure out how many candies he could buy of each one. He could buy Kit Kat and Snickers.
Oh, don't share problem. Just what do we? Okay, that was good. So we're trying to figure out how many of each candy bar he can buy, and then. But what was the thing? How do we know how many he had? What do we know? What did the story told us?
I have a question. Can Sarah answer with you, and then you go tell the others?
Yeah, that's how we're gonna. Because you're gonna solve it on your own on a piece of paper in a minute, okay? And then what do we know from the problem? How many pieces are there in all?
There are 10.
10.
we're gonna give them a chance to solve it.
All right, good job.
Like last time.
They're doing a butterfly one.
Okay.
There are so many ways to make 10.
I know. All right. Does anyone have any questions about our story problem before we get started? No? Okay.
Nope.
So, I'm going to pass out your pieces of paper. Can you put your name on it really fast for me?
Done.
There you go.
I'm already gonna solve it.
All right. So, here's your paper and pencil, and I brought you some blocks. I brought some blocks for us to use.
Yeah.
And you can choose any, you can use your paper, you can write an equation, you can draw pictures, or you can use these blocks to help you solve. Just solve it the best way you can, okay?
I want you the block.
All right, does anyone have any questions before we get started?
No.
No questions? All right. Raise your hand if you have a way of getting started on the problem. You know how to get started?
Yeah, on the blocks.
Okay, good job. Awesome. All right, go ahead and get started. I'm going to be coming around and asking you questions. After everyone is done, we'll talk and about our thinking. All right, now you may begin.
The black and
Just, well, you got to share them. We got to share them.
But you have brown. Why isn't there enough brown?
There's not going to be enough for all the colors. They're just to use as counters.
I'll just use black. I use the colors I got. Use some red.
All right, are you using them to solve?
Not too bright. It's not reasonable on this one. I need one more red. Okay, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 still don't make 10. Go. 4. That is a little how to spell Snickers. I got it.
It's okay. It's okay.
Do you just
Just
label
put
it S?
S and K. Label it
What are
S
you
and
doing?
K for Snickers and Kit Kat, okay?
What'd you do?
I make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I'm gonna make something else with this block.
Yeah?
To make 10.
To make 10? Good
Yeah.
job, Kevin.
That's how I was doing it.
All right.
So,
So what are we gonna do next?
let's gonna do next. Like put those blocks into the order, like here in the order he does it, and here with the order goes it, and then when the order goes it, here, and then when the order goes it. Let's make this. I can know where the 10 are.
So what does this one stand for?
This one stands for 5, and this one stands for 5, and that makes 10. And there's a feet.
So what are the two candies we're looking for?
Yeah, Kit Kat and Snickers.
They don't have
Yeah. So which one? Is one of these Kit Kats and one of these Snickers?
Yeah, one of these are Kit Kat.
A certain pile? Because if we have 10 total, right?
Yeah, I was trying. I can't I was trying to make it to the thing. So and I put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7
Yeah.
here, and then 1, 2, 3. That will make 10. Yeah. About the day out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right. Kevin, I kind of heard you over here talking. Can you explain it to me about what you did?
Well, I made a box I did like this. I made a box with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That it was 7, and then when I'll get 1, 2, 3, that will make 10.
You want to do something?
Okay, how did you know to start that way?
So when I was starting it, I was trying to make I was trying to put the older blocks away and put it in the back of these things so I can make it 3 right here.
Okay, so did you start with the 7 or did you start with the 3?
I start with the 7. For reason.
Good job.
No.
All right. What? So, how did you know to solve the problem that way?
Well, I started because I heard what you were saying. Because I heard 7. I was saying I heard 3, and that would make it 10. So I heard what you were saying in my head.
That's really good. You're right. They do. All right. You keep working. And I'll come back.
Okay, so you counted out 10 blocks. Does this equal 10?
Yeah.
It equals 10?
6 plus 4 equals 10. Then I thought if we put Kit Kats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That makes 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Okay.
So you just
Do you know
switch these two?
Do you know a strategy that you use? What strategy did you use?
Good job.
I use the blocks, the strategy, so I can make the 3 and the 7
Right.
to make 10. Something like tic-tac-toe, but
Okay. Are there any other combinations you think you can find? Or you think that's it?
So could you
Alright, so
use
why
a
did you
different
decide
strategy
to
to solve the problem?
Put 10 in the block.
What other strategy could you have used?
Actually, I was gonna use
Just to see
if
what
I was
combinations
putting it
maybe?
right here, and then I would make like this. I would do it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
4
10.
and 6.
I would use
So
like
if we
that.
wanted to represent this,
A quad
you could
and
put 4 in one pile and 6 in another, right? Maybe if you were gonna show me the blocks.
Do you like this?
Good job.
I have got this.
Mm-hmm.
My mommy bought me that.
Straighten them out.
My mom gave me every day, and my dad gave me every day.
Mm-hmm. All right. Are there any more combinations?
Could go with this one, right?
Yeah,
There's 5 in this one.
it's a combination with 10,
Is that what you were doing there?
and combination with how many you have. You make
And then this one could go with this one, right?
you make it like
Because it's 6 yellow and 4.
you make it like this here, and then you make it like.
Kind of tired. Me too.
I just want a nap.
You want a little maybe after school, yeah.
This here. Then I will make it like this here.
What time do you
All right. So what? Can you explain that to me?
Yeah, if I put 4 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that will make 10.
What time does school start? No idea.
So it's 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That will make a 10.
Okay. All right. Can you write your first one? What did you say the first one was when you did your blocks?
The first one was 7. And the first one was 3. And it equals 10.
All right. And then now write the one that you just told me. You started with how many?
I started with 3, and then I started with 7.
No. Which one did you just tell me? Look, right here. What you just did right here.
I did put the 4, 7 on this one, and I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I put 3 on this one.
So you said, look, right here.
Yeah.
You did it like this. You put these blocks over here. Can you write that as an equation?
Yeah, I could write that like crazy, like 4 plus
And then how many blocks are right there?
7.
Count. Let's count them. You didn't say that earlier.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't know what I'm saying. 4 plus 6 equals 10.
All right. Are there any more combinations?
Yeah, I can make the combination like I could put the pound like heel, and I could put the pound like heel. Like I put the combination like 5 plus 5 equals 10. That will make 10.
All right. Can you write that down for me?
Yeah.
All right. Keep thinking about some more. Look, Miss Abby's gonna listen to you some more, and I'm gonna go talk to Emily and Maya. Okay? Keep thinking about more combinations. Okay?
Any other ones, Kevin? I'll come next to you. You can show me.
Okay.
All right. All right, Maya. Woo! Can you tell me? Look at all these combinations. Can you tell me what you did?
There's was in kindergarten I learned about friends of 10, and these are all the friends of 10 that makes 10. So 5 plus 5 is equal, so it doesn't have to be more and less. So you can't switch them because they will be the same. 7 plus 3 equals 10 because there could be
9 Snickers and 1
Snickers, 7, and there could be Kit Kats, 3, and that could equal 10. Up here it has the label, so this row is cat, this row is Snickers.
Okay.
And then I figured 6 plus 4 equals 10, because that could be Kit Kats could be 4, and Snickers could be 6. And I figured that Snickers can be 9, and Kit Kats can be 1. And that could equal 10. And the last one was, I figured that Snickers can be 8, and then we could need 2 more to equal 10. That would be Kit Kats.
Okay. So how did you know to solve it that way?
Oh, I learned how it
You could switch it.
6 plus 4 equals 10.
So was it something you already knew? So you didn't really have to think about it. You already knew it in your brain.
Yeah. But I forgot about 8 plus 2.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 combinations.
5 combinations. You don't think there's any more? Are there any more? No, 5 combinations. Okay. So why did you do it like this? Why did you do it? Was there an order that you did it in, or did you just do it as you remembered it?
Yeah, as I remember. Order is 1 plus 9. I figured I could play tic-tac-toe and figure these combinations, but some of them are the same. Yeah, they're the same, just I figured that tic-tac-toe is the same, so you can play it, and then you can have some numbers that could equal 10.
Okay. So did you use a strategy? What strategy did you use?
I used the blocks to help me figure that tic-tac-toe.
So what does this 8 stand for?
Okay, can you explain your tic-tac-toe to me?
You know how we have 2 different kind of candies? Which one is
The
this?
circles are Kit Kats, and then the X's are
Snickers?
Stickers. So I put those labels over here.
Okay.
The amount of candy of each.
I figured that 7 is Snickers and 3 is the circle, and
And then this could be 2 Snickers.
the X is Snickers and the Kit Kats are the circle. So I figured 7 plus 3 equals 10, which is right over here. then I figured like that, and I flipped it over so it could be X, could be 3, and 0, and then the circle could be 7.
Okay.
So I can flip all these combinations over.
Oh, you can? Can you show that to me on here? Can you write that? Maybe write the other more combinations that you.
And I write them on the back.
Yeah, you can write them on the back. That's fine. All right, I'm gonna let you think about that, and I'm gonna come back. Okay?
I can already write them.
I know. I'm just gonna let me go talk to Emily. Okay, and then I'll come right back.
And we'll discuss some more. This one first. So the 7 would be what?
All right.
That would stand
Ooh,
for
I'm
what
sorry.
kind of candy?
All
Okay,
right. Can you tell me about what you did?
On top of that one?
Yeah.
You can keep that. That's okay.
6 plus 4 equals 10, and I also thought that 5 plus 5 still equals 10, but if we switch and I put like Snickers to Kit Kats, and Kit Kats to Snickers, it can still equal 10.
How did you know that? How did you know that if you switched the numbers, it would still equal 10?
Like if I want to go to my house and I also want to ride my bike, I can still ride my bike and then go at my house and it will still be the same time.
Okay. So how did you know that 6 plus 4 equals 10?
I learned it in kindergarten.
So you already knew it in your head?
You still doing good?
I'm going to ask a question.
All right, I'll come help you. You keep going, Kelly.
Okay.
Okay. And then,
Question
so why did you solve it this way? Did you use all the blocks, or did you just use those just to help?
I just used them to help.
Okay, so can you tell me about your drawing?
Well, yeah, but you still could, right? Because if you think about it, if you have one in one tile, you have a certain color that it's like if you had 5 of this color, it should for what? Kit Kats. And the other pile 5 should for Snickers. Let me see.
Okay. So why did you solve the problem that way? What?
I don't know.
You don't know? All right. Well, can you tell me what strategy did you use?
What strategy?
So which one did you, when I remember how I said, do you have a way of getting started? What was the first thing you wrote on your paper? You wrote 6 plus 4 equals 10. That was the first thing you did? All right, what did you do after that?
I did this one, and then I did 5 plus 5 equals 10.
But I know last time we could swap.
All right, when did you do your drawings?
So you get different combinations.
After I can
Okay, so after you wrote your equations, then you did the drawings?
these are the actual ones that
Let me take a picture of this one. Okay. So were we doing this to check our work?
So why did you do the
Were you doing this to check your work?
so why did you do the drawings? Just
to just make
Yeah.
it's okay, I'll get it. So you did the drawings to what? To show what?
So do these first numbers here all represent Snickers?
and also just to show.
Just to show? Okay, well I like it. You did such a good job. Are there any more combinations of Kit Kats and Snickers? You don't know?
Oh wait,
But what does
there
that
is.
stand for? What is that?
10 plus 0 equals 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10.
Okay.
5 plus the equal
Good job. That's really good.
All right. Are there any more?
Coming back to you.
Is that how did you think of those two combinations just then? How did you think of those two combinations just then? You just thought them in your head?
Nope, not yet.
Not yet. Let's see what we got. Thinking of more?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
Here, I'll get it.
Alright, let's see.
I think you're leaving now.
All right, good job. All right, let's talk really fast. Well, hey, you're still finding combinations.
Yeah, I figured them
All right, let's put our blocks up, okay? I know, we gotta wrap it up, okay? It's okay, they don't have to be broken apart.
This one's on the back. It's like 4 plus 1 plus 5 okay.
All right.
1 plus 4 is 5.
Okay.
Because I switched.
Okay, all right, we gotta listen. We gotta listen right here, okay? So we're gonna talk about our strategies. I think almost everybody found the strategy 6 plus 4 equals 10. Did everybody find 6 plus 4 equals 10?
6 plus 4 equals 10 right here.
And Kevin found 6 plus 4. All right.
You want to come to my house?
All right, we gotta listen, right? We can talk in a minute, okay? Gotta listen. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. That was one that y'all came up with, and y'all said you already knew in your head. How did you know that?
Because I was doing the blocks and 6 plus 4, it will make 10.
All right, so Kevin counted out 10 blocks. So he went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then he said, well, there's going to be 4 Snickers bars, and the rest these are going to be Kit Kats. So he said 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 Snickers plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
The actual way I learned how to do these is that I studied and counted with my fingers how to do these.
Okay. All right, and then you can also write it 6. You can also write 6 plus 4 equals 10 as 4 plus 6 equals 10. Because you can have, if this is Snickers and this one's Kit Kats, you can have 4 Snickers and 6 Kit Kats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the back, I switched 6 4 plus 6, and it has 6 plus 4.
All right. Well, you did such a good job. We didn't get finished, but it's okay.
I'm gonna go walk to my table.
All right, hang on. All right, shh, ready? We gotta listen real fast. Let me finish, okay? Y'all did a good job solving your problems and finding all the combinations. All right, good job. All right, can you kiss your brains? Kiss your brains. Good job. All right, thank you.